Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Shopify tutorial step by step.
If you're running a Shopify store and want to boost trust and sales by adding real reviews from Aliexpress without spending a dime, this tutorial is for you. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to import and display Aliexpress reviews on your own store using a powerful free app. Let's jump right in and get those reviews working harder for you. First, we are going to access the heart of your Shopify store's features. Start by heading into your Shopify admin dashboard. From there, click on Settings at the bottom left. This is your control panel for everything important. Now, look for Apps and Sales channel. Think of this as your portal to all the external tools that integrate with Shopify. Click on App Store to open up a world of possibilities. In the App Store's search bar, type Judge.me. This is one of the most popular free review apps, and it makes it really simple to add reviews to your store, even from sources like AliExpress. When you see Judge.me product reviews pop up in the list, go ahead and click on it. Now, take a deep breath. This next part is straightforward, but pay close attention. Click Install, and Shopify will guide you through adding the Judge.me app to your store. Once installed, open up Judge.me and start the initial setup. The app might ask you to enable what's called an app embed. Basically, this means you're allowing Judge.me to display reviews directly on your product pages, where your customers will see them. Make sure to toggle on the embed option. If you're unsure, look for a little switch or checkbox that says Enable. Then just hit Next. At this point, you'll be prompted to install the Judge.me review widget. The widget is like a digital display case. It's what will actually show those reviews right alongside your products. Go through the widget installation steps. It should only take a minute or two. Don't worry if the process pauses for a second. The app might be updating your store theme behind the scenes. All right, once your widget is set up, it's time for the real magic. Importing reviews from AliExpress. Head back to the Shopify App Store and search for Judge.me again. This time, look specifically for the Judge.me importer, or the option that mentions AliExpress integration. Select and install this add-on. This part lets you bring in reviews from outside sources like AliExpress, so you don't have to start from scratch. Now go over to the AliExpress website. Find a product similar to one you're selling, and make sure it has reviews. These are the gold you want for building trust on your own site. Copy the product's URL from the browser's address bar. It might feel like you're just copying a web address, but you're actually grabbing a link to all those helpful customer ratings and comments. Head back to the Judge.me importer within Shopify. You'll see a spot where you can paste that AliExpress link. Paste the link, hit Import, and Judge.me will start pulling in the reviews directly from that AliExpress product. This part usually takes just a few moments, so don't worry if you see a loading spinner. Once imported, Judge.me will ask you to select the product in your store that you want to attach these reviews to. Pick the matching product. It's important to make sure the reviews fit the item you're selling, so they'll reassure your potential customers. And that's it. All those AliExpress reviews will now appear on your product page, helping shoppers feel confident about their purchase. You can always edit, filter, or remove any reviews if needed. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and hit that like button. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments. I'm always happy to help out. Don't forget to subscribe for more straightforward Shopify tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video.